Hello, it's Brent Schreiber with Leverage Lean. I'm going to show you the See It How video for the Activate Developer tab. So on this tutorial insight page, you can scroll down and see I have a PDF tutorial that will walk you through how to do this for Excel, Outlook, and Word. But I want to make a video to show you how to follow these steps. And what you can do is click full screen mode to see this PDF on a bigger screen, and we'll walk through these 6 steps, opening Excel and getting in and activating that developer tab. All right, so let's go after it. So I'll navigate to Excel, and then the first thing I'm going to do is do this drop down here to customize the quick access toolbar, select more commands, and then within more commands I'm going to select customize ribbon. And then navigating over to the right side, I'm going to scroll down until I find the developer section where it is not check marked. Just check mark that, click OK, and then you can see I now have the developer tab in Excel. Alright, navigating back to that PDF tutorial, I have some cool quick links that will jump you straight to the Outlook section, so I'll do the same thing for Outlook. Navigating to Outlook, very similar steps, drop down, more commands, customize ribbon. On the right side, we're going to scroll down until we find that developer tab that is uncheckmarked. Check mark, click OK. And then again, you'll see this now in Outlook. So now I have access to Visual Basic. And then finally, I have a section to do this for Word. So let's do the same thing. Very similar steps, but I just want to show you all of the ways to do this. Again, drop down, more commands, customize ribbon, scrolling down, find that developer section, check mark it, click OK. Then you'll see it in Word. Alright, so when you're done with the PDF, you can just close it here, and that's really what you're going to see on this tutorial page, is you'll see the ability to see how to do it with this video I'm creating, and also just the tutorial to walk you through each step if you don't want to watch the video. Well, let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Stay awesome.